In this video, I'll go over how to buy a Ledger Nano X in Pakistan. Now you can see that if you try to purchase it on the actual Ledger website and you set your shipping, your method, then when you come to payment, it will probably say this store cannot accept payments right now, so they don't take payments from Pakistan currently. So instead, what you can do is go to a different shop, such as Ledger.pk, or what you can just do is search for Ledger Nano X Pakistan, and then you will have the usual website. But under that, you have some other shops where you can purchase it, for example, Daras, ShopHive, OLX, and Tejar, which is the one I picked. So just go with one of those. Now, of course, you want to check if it is legit, but from there, then find the Ledger Nano X and click on it. Then just pick whichever color you want to get. For example, I'll take the green one. They can add it to your cart or just buy now. From there, check out as guest or create an account. Then enter your billing address, the shipping method you want to use, your payment method, and then just place the order and then go ahead and pay for it. And after you pay for it, it will then be shipped to the address that you enter right here. So that's how you can purchase a Ledger Nano X if you are from Pakistan. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.